With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here the question is, which of the following organisms follow the graphs first, second and third respectively. Okay, here we have to study this graph and explain that which organisms follow these graphs which are mentioned as first, second and third. Okay, let's start with the first graph. Here we can clearly see that in this graph the internal temperature increases with the external temperature. Okay, therefore we can say that these first organisms are the conformers. Okay, they are conformers. Okay, conformers are those organisms which are not able to maintain the constant internal environment. Okay, which are not able to maintain what? Constant internal environment. Okay, internal environment. These are known as conformers. Okay, approx 99% of plants and animals in this environment are conformers. Okay, 99% of plants and animals are conformers which are not able to maintain its constant temperature. Okay, therefore we can say that in conformers their temperature changes with ambient temperature. The example of conformers is hippocampus. Okay, its example is hippocampus. Hippocampus. Now, the next graph, when we read this next graph, what is seen here that the constant temperature is maintained, right? Here the temperature is constant. Okay, therefore we can say that the second graph represents the regulators, right? It represents the regulators. Okay, and we know that regulators are those organisms which are able to maintain, they are able to maintain the homeostasis. Okay, homeostasis. Okay, it means they are able to maintain the constant internal environment. Okay, all birds and animals, all birds and animals and very few low vertebrates or invertebrates are regulators. Okay, very few vertebrates and invertebrates are regulators. Okay, invertebrates. And the example of this regulator is Cetacula. Okay, it's Cetacula. Example is Cetacula. Okay, now let's read the third graph, which is at first the temperature increases, then the temperature attains a constant, right? Constant. It means that at first the temperature increases, internal temperature increases with the external temperature, then it attains a stability. Okay, therefore we can say that this type of organisms are what? This type of organisms are known as partial regulators. Okay, they are partial regulators. Partial regulators are those organisms, the partial regulators are those organisms which are able which changes their body temperature to certain level. Okay, changes their body temperature to certain level. Okay, certain level of ambient temperature. It means what? Firstly temperature increases, then it attains a steady temperature. Okay, steady temperature, which is clearly seen in this graph. Okay, the example of partial regulator can be spermophilus. First is hippocampus, then psittacula, then spermophilus. This is given in option last, which is first hippocampus, second psittacula, and third spermophilus. This is the correct answer here. Okay, for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.